Please turn on your cameras, class. Others. By the way, your first summative test will be on Monday, September 6th. September 6th. Please take note. First summative test will be on Monday. Okay. How about Christian? Is he in the meeting room? Not yet. Wait, check. Not yet. Ay, siya lang yung absent. Okay. So we are already through with the discussion on fundamental operations on whole numbers and decimal with addition, fundamental operation on whole numbers and decimal with subtraction. Now, we're going to start with the operation using multiplication. Ishel, can you please read the definition on the screen, please?
Multiplication is the process of combining equal addends as many times as there are units in another number. It is repeated addition. Multiplicand is the number to be multiplied by another number. Multiplier is the number times the multiplicand is to be added or multiplied, and the answer in multiplication is the product. Two or more numbers that are multiplied together are called the factors. The multiplier and the multiplicand are factors of the product.
Okay, thank you, Ishel. Okay, when we say multiplication, it is the process of combining equal addends. So, as you can see, it is like a repeated addition. Kasi para rin siyang addition ang multiplication. So, as many times as there are units in another number. So, yung unang number that will be multiplied is called multiplicand. Let's say 2. Is the number to be multiplied by another number. The multiplier, on the other hand, is the number times the multiplicand is to be added or multiplied. Let's say times 5 equals, we call this one 10 is the product. So the 2 here is the multiplicand. And 5 here is the multiplier. And 10 here, we call this one product. 2 and 5 are called factors. Okay? So kahit na maraming numbers to be multiplied, we will still call them factors. Let's say 2 times 5 times 3 times 2. These 2, 5, 3, and 2 here will still be called factors. Ayan. They are all called factors. Ayan. The first number, yung this one, yung 2, is the number to be multiplied by another number. Okay? Ito yung times that we will use that number. So ito yung number of times the multiplicand is to be added. So it is like this. Extend natin. So 2 times 2 times 2 times there. We will still arrive at the same answer, which is 10. Nakuha? Ano, 2 plus pala to. Sorry. Kaya siya repeated addition. Yeah. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay? Kaya siya repeated addition. Nag-square root na ako, no? So, 2 times. Yung ginawa ko kanina, ganyan. Ayan, sorry. Okay, plus yan ha, plus. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2. So, it will give us the answer 10. Kaya siya repeated addition. Ito yung times that we will repeat the number 2. Okay? The number 2. One more example. Let's have 7 naman times 4. Okay, 7 times 4. In repeated addition, it will be like this. 7, oops, plus ulit. 7 plus 7 plus 7. So either of the two, you will still arrive at the same answer, which is 28. Okay, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 28. Okay. Sino dito yung mga medyo nahihirapan sa multiplication? Kaya? Kaya ba? Sige. Let's have another example. Ito na lang ako yung whiteboard tayo. Okay, let's use the same example on your book. 463 multiplied by 56. Okay. Again, this one here, we call this one multiplicand. And the second number to be multiplied will be called multiplier. Multiplicand and multiplier. Okay. Let's multiply 6 times 3. We have 18. 6 times 6, 36 plus 1, 37. 6 times 4, 24 plus 3, 27. 5 times 3. Next, dito naman tayo. Yan. Yung unang minultiply natin ay ito. Next naman, 5 na tayo. 5. 5 times 3, it's 15. 5 times 6, it's 30 plus 1. We have 31. And 5 times 4, 20 plus 3, 23. This one, after multiplication, we need to add the product. 8, bring down 8, 12, 9, 5, and 2. This one is our product. 25,928. Okay, how about naman in, let's say, 1.23 multiplied by 0.78. Okay, multiply lang natin. 8 times 3, we have 24, right? Dito yung 2. 8 times 2, 16 plus 2, 18. 8 times 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Same process lang tayo, same process. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 2, 14 plus 2, 16. 7 times 1, 7 plus 1, 8. No need to put o ito, write yung 0. O no need to multiply. Add lang tayo ng 0 here. Next, let's add this one. Bring down 4. 9. We have 15. 9 plus 6, we have 15. And then 9. 0 here. Now, let's just add the 4 decimal places. Tama? 4 decimal places. So, 1, correct. 2, 3, 4. Kasi ito yun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. 4 sila lahat. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. So, the answer here is 0 and 9594. This one. Nakuha, class? Nakakasunod? Kahit bigyan ko kayo ng malalaking numbers, kaya mag-multiply? Kaya? You're not allowed to use calculator when using the basic operations na addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Kaya yan, kahit na matagal. Basta you're doing the process correctly and mentally. Kaya yan. Okay, let's move to division. Ayan. May question ba, class, sa multiplication? Ay, nalilito ba? Okay, let's move to division naman. Okay, can I have Patricia? Please read.
Sure. Division is the process of finding how many times a number is contained in the given values. It is the process of equally separating a number into a given number. It is the reverse of multiplication and the short method of subtraction. The dividend is the number to be divided, and the divisor is the number by which the dividend is to be divided. Quotient is the result or answer in division. Another from expressing division is by fraction. The sign of division are
Okay. Yan. We call this one vinculum, ha, class. Vinculum. Yung sa fraction, we take note of this. So this one is vinculum. So ano ba daw yung division? Okay, ito ay isang process of finding how many times daw a number is contained. Kung ilan yung kakasya sa binigay na number dun sa isa pang binigay na number. Ilan daw yung kakasya contained in the given values. It is the process of equally separating daw a number into a given number. Dinidivide siya, divide. That's why yung root word of division is yung divide siya, divide. It is now the reverse of multiplication. Bakit siya reverse of multiplication? And short method of subtraction. Okay, dividend na daw is the number to be divided and the divisor is the number by which the dividend is to be divided. Tapos, the answer in division, we call this one quotient. Okay. Ito yung symbol if we are pertaining to division, and then this one, vinculum for fraction. Okay. Start muna tayo. Okay, bakit tinawag na reverse multiplication? Sige, try muna natin. Let's have 10 divided by 2. We give 5. Okay. Bakit siya reverse multiplication? If we multiply this 2, okay, 2 times 5, it's 10. Let's have 150 naman. Divided by 3. Okay, divide lang natin. 5, 0, 50. If we multiply naman this 2, 3 times 50, or kahit 50 yung mauna, 50 times 3, we will still arrive at the same answer, which is 150. Ayan. Kaya siya reverse multiplication. Okay. Next, bakit naman sinabing short method of subtraction? Okay, bakit naman short method of subtraction? It will be like this. So, 10, show ko muna sa inyo. Divided by 5, it's 2. So, it will be like this naman. 10 minus 2. 8. Tapos 8 minus 2 again. It's 6. 8 minus 2. 6. 6 na po. 6 minus 2, it's 4. 4 minus 2, it's 2 until 2 minus 2. Ayan, kaya siya short method of subtraction. Until mag-arrive ka sa zero answer, okay, you just have to count lang all the numbers na na-subtract o yung difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaya siya short method of subtraction. Next naman, the first number daw na minention is the dividend. We call this one dividend. Okay, let's say 100 divided by 4. This one, yung 100, we call this one dividend. Yung 4 here is the divisor. 25, we call this one quotient. Okay? Para hindi kayo nalilito kung ano ba lagi yung unang minention or unang binigay na number. Katulad kanina, multiplicand, MD. The second number na binigay or isa pang factor, we call this one multiplier, MR. This one, MDD. dividend. And then the second, DR, divisor. Tama? Nakuha class yung code. MD, MR, diba? Para hindi siya nakakalito. MD, MR, pag multiplicand, MD, yun yung unang minention na number, unang factor. Yung next, MR, multiplier. Same din with division. DD is the dividend, D and D. DR, the second number na minention is the divisor. Ayan, para hindi kayo nalilito. Palagi siyang ganon. MD, MR. DD, and DR. Ayan. Quotient is the answer in division. Okay, ano naman daw tong laws of division? Okay. Yung unang law of division is 0 divided by any number is equal to 0 daw. Ayan, ano ba tong 0? So, example. 0 divided by 5, it's like this. 0 over 5 is 0. Kapag nauna yung 0, the answer is 0. Pag nauna yung 0, kapag dividend ay 0, the answer is 0. Next, number 2. Any number daw divided by 1. So, number 1 naman. Sa una, 0. Yung sunod, 1. Number 1. It gives the same number. Let's say, 5 divided by 1. The answer is still 5. 1,000 divided by 1, the answer is still the number, which is 1,000. Okay. How about naman daw, 0, yung laws of division number 3. 0 is not used as a divisor. Okay, yung 0 daw is not used as a divisor. Bakit? Kasi the answer is undefined or will give us an error answer. So, example, 5 divided by 0 or 5 divided by 0, you can check it. It's either error siya, mag-error siya, or undefined. Kaya siya not used as divisor. Undefined. Okay, ito yung tatlo. Okay, 0 daw ang magiging answer sa taas. And then sa law of division number 2, any number, it will give us the same answer or the number. Same lang yun. And then number 3 will give us undefined or nag-error. Kahit check nyo sa inyong mga cellphones or on your calculator, you can check it. Magsi-0 daw yan. Kapag 0 yung ating DR or yung divisor. Okay? Kuha class. Next, work tayo. Work. Please get your books. Open your books on page 117. 17. Okay, answer. Exercise 1.4. Okay, for those who don't have their books, sinong pwede mag-share sa GC or mag-answer? Ayan, para ma-share natin sa classmates mo. Anyone who wants to share? Yung walang answer. I have kasi answer on the This one, no, for those who don't have their book. Ito. You may answer this one on your notebook.